Hi everyone. So this sweet potato chips is so delicious. The kids love it. It's super easy to make and of course adults can eat it as well. So the first thing to do is buy a normal sweet potato. If you are in the UK, any sweet potato will do, but this is from UK. And what I do is I literally wash it, pat it dry. If yours is clean, just clean the back, and then you are going to cut it in the middle. So the tip here is just to cut everything in the middle, cut them sizable chunks to get them square shaped. If you want them thicker, you can leave it thick, or if you want them really skinny so that it's more crispy, then you can go ahead and cut it as tinely as you want. After cutting it, it would look like this. I do not put any salt on my chips. I do that when I finish frying them. But yeah, it's ready. You can ideally, if you want to, you can add salt into it. But after this one, just for demonstration purposes, I do not put salt into my chips before frying. I realized that one is a waste of salt, and the second thing I realized is after frying and you just put a tiny bit of salt, it goes a long way and it prevents you from eating too much salt. Okay, so we're going to add it into the oil and then we are going to cover it. The purpose of that is to make sure that it cooks very, very well. And once it's fried, you feel like it's cooked, which is probably less than 5 minutes honestly, then you can open it and leave it open. But sometimes I just close it, keep closing it, and with that it will still fry properly. But the main reason is to make sure it cooks very well. Okay, so I've covered it again and I'm going to keep an eye on it for it to brown. And this here that I'm putting in the microwave is a homemade chicken burger that I made. Just check out the link in my bio or check out all my other videos. You will see a homemade chicken burger. I literally made it with chicken, egg, and rice, and it was really delicious. So that is what we are pairing this with. Look at that golden and crispy, so delicious. Yeah, this is a staple in our house, we all love it very much. Yeah, so once it's crispy, don't let it burn. Once it's crispy to your satisfaction, that's it, it's ready. And now is the time to put your salt and mix it up, and then you can, all of you can just enjoy it. So yeah, let me know if you try this. If you have any question, let me know and I'll be sure to answer that. But yeah, this is the dinner for the kids and for us as well. Hope you enjoy this. See you in the next video. Bye.